See, they did say 105.
He said 105. Man, I told you when the fish were going to hit.
It's to the money, ain't it?
Yeah. Listen to this.
Come on, buck up, boys.
Man, we want to go back out.
We got it out there.
Tell them.
Spread out. Just waiting them out.
Everything up.
Midnight hooker. Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, I know.
Hey, remember last year? Oh, down this way.
Can you believe this?
The fish was on at 105.
Fishing report.
1 minute to go.
Big one?
Oh my goodness.
This is my hole, John.
Holy shit.
Okay.
Are we doing a shotgun start or how are we doing this?
Holy shit.
Let me get him back here so he I would have had him.
What's wrong?
Oh, that's nice. That's a nice fish, guys.
Attaboy.
Good job.
It's 105. Has anybody had a bite yet?
Hell yeah.
Where you going there, horse?
Oh, shit.
What's it doesn't matter, John? We only got one line.